Hey y'all, Carrie Mitchell here with another beginner dance tutorial for you. And today we're going to be learning a short little routine to Bad Guy by Billie Eilish. As always, we're going to go really slow. We're going to use a lot of repetition. We're going to break down the steps so that anyone can stand up and do them. This is not about super complicated technical moves. It's just about getting up and moving and having a little bit of fun in the process. So I hope you'll stand up and dance with me. So you're going to start with your feet parallel and apart, heads down, and you're going to take your hands, they're going to be big spread out jazz hands here, and they're going to pull up on 1, 2, 3 on those counts. 1, 2, 3. On 4, your head's going to pop up to the front. So you're here, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do some contractions through our rib cage, and we're going to go forward, then back, then forward, back. So it's 2 contractions, but the rhythm of it is 5, 6, hold, 7, and 8. And if you have a hard time with this contraction part of it, you can really move your arms more. Yeah. So that whole first 8 count, your head's down, arms come up. 1, 2, 3, head, 4, contract, forward, back, forward, back. One more time with counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold, 7, and 8. From here, we're going to turn this right knee in, and I'm going to lean as far over into that leg as I can. Hands stay here, and we're going to turn and lean at the same time. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to pop my head to the right on 4, really sharp, and then I'm just going to come back. 5, 6. I start to transfer my weight to the left leg. 7, and then I pop everything to the front on 8. And I'm going to end with my right foot here in a touch position. Hands come down, and head pops back to the front on 8. So again, you were here. We're going to invert and lean on 1, 2, 3, head, 4, back, 5, 6, 7, head, 8. Now we're going to walk forward. I'm going to set heel toe on 1, 2, 3, 4. So just 2 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left. Hands are going to come down, flex those hands, touch your the bottoms of your hands together, and they're going to push up to the top. So you're here, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, just your feet. You're going to step on that right and do like a quarter pivot turn. So you're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8 to face the back. And all that pivot is I'm just stepping forward on the right foot and then transferring to the left foot, and then stepping on the right foot and transferring to the left foot. And I'm kind of trying to keep my legs kind of stiff in that too. It's just kind of the style of that step. We were here, so we're going to do those 2 pivots, and as we do, our hands are going to come down and down to the back. So flex hands, and they just stretch, 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 stretch. So we're here. We're going to take 2 walks forward, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to try to keep my focus to the front on 5, 6, 7. I'm going to let it come to the back on 8. Now we're going to take 2 more walks towards the back. I'm going to show you what this looks like from the back in just a second. But we're going to take 2 walks right, left again. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to rock out on that right leg. 5, 6, touch, 7. So that rock step is just right, left, right, back to the front. And my hands are just swinging up to my sides. Flex hands again. 5, 6, then touch, 7. So it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, 8. Let's go back to the top and do the first 4 8 counts all together. So we're here. Heads down. 5, 6, our arms come up on 1, 2, 3, head 4, go 5, 6, hold 7 and 8, lean 1, 2, 3, head 4, back 5, 6, 7, 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, pivot. 5, 6, 7, 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, rock step. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Next step, your right foot's free. You're gonna step out with your right. Same arm, same leg. So we're gonna go right, then left. So as you step, you're gonna press these arms. I'm gonna mirror you. So your right arm, right leg, it's gonna push down, flex that hand, and then down, and meet those hands together here in front. So that's on 1, 2. 1, 2. We're gonna swing, starting to the left. 3, 4, 5. Keep your momentum going this way, and you're gonna slap your knee on 6. Okay? So we went 1, 2, swing. 3, 4, 5, slap 6. You're gonna step 7, touch over on 8. And I'm running into this pole. Let's try that again. So we're stepping. 1, 2, swing. 3, 4, 5, slap 6. You're gonna step 7 with your right foot, touch your left foot on 8. And I'm kind of doing, again, that inverted knee. And my hands are gonna cover my face. So I just have fists, and if you can, from my hands all the way to my elbows are zipped shut. If that's hard for you, sometimes it might pull too much through here or something, you can just bring them together as far as you can, okay? So again, that was 7, 8. Hide that face. Again, from here, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, swing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My arms from here, I'm just going 6, and then they're just coming back up, 7, 8. From here, we're gonna do a little peekaboo step. So you're gonna peek out to the left, 1, you're gonna go back behind your hands, 2, back to the left, 3, and now you're gonna go all the way over to the right, 4. So again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And the more you lean, the better. After you're here on 4, just my feet, watch. All I'm doing, this looks like a good position, right? All I'm doing is transferring my weight over to this left foot. So I was here, and then I'm transferring. You have 5, 6, you have 2 counts to do it. So you were here, 4, you go 5, 6, I'm gonna end up facing the corner, all my weight's on my left leg, and then I'm gonna ball change back, or a rock step, 7, 8. And that's on right foot, left foot. 7, 8. Arms, when I do that, we were here. I'm just gonna let them fall down. 7, 8. And I'm gonna tip my head back to the ceiling. 7, 8. Yeah? So again, you're here. We're gonna peek to the left on 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn to the corner. 5, 6. Ball change, 7, 8. So that transition's a little tricky, but you can rewind it and watch it again and again and practice it. Let's do it one more time. A little more up to tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we just went back front. 7, 8. Right, left. Head's gonna come up on 1. We're gonna walk to this corner. Right, left on 1, 2, 3. So you're gonna go 1, 2, on 3, we're gonna open to the front, and my hands are gonna cover my face again. So we were here on 7, 8, walk 1, 2, 3. You're gonna hold 4. We're gonna take our hands out, 5. So I was here, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6. So my wrists are still together, my thumbs are together, my hands are just open. That's 5, hold 6. So you're here, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6. We're gonna twist 7 to the left, 8 to the right. So it's 7, 8. Hands and head go, 7, 8. If you wanna kind of rock through your feet, you can do that too. 7, 8. Whatever feels good to you. So again, we just did this ball change here on 7, 8. We're gonna take 2 walks and open to the front on 3. So we're here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3. Hold 4, 5. Hold 6, 7, 8. After you do this twist, you're going to take your arms, wrists are still together. We're going to go around to the left and around your head. 1, 2, 3. You're going to throw them away to your left side on 4. So you were here. 7, 8, around. 1, 2, 3, down. 4. Hands are going to come back here, just like in the beginning. And we're going to do like some rib cage isolations. So we're going to go up, up, down, down. And I'm going to go up to the right, up to the left, and then I'm going to go down, down. So when I go down, I'm really kind of sitting into my legs in like a plie, a wide plie. So I'm not really going forward this way, but I'm going straight down. And when you go up, up, if you want to come up on the balls of your feet, you can. Up, up, down, down. So again, from here, we went 7, 8, we circle 1, 2, 3, down, 4, up, 5, up, 6, down, 7, down, 8. Let's go back and do those next 4 8 counts. So we're gonna go from 1, 2, from there. Nice and slow, just putting it all together. So we're here on 8, we're gonna step down on 1. I'm gonna scoot over just a little. 5, 6, 7, 8, step. 1, 2, swing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we peekaboo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, left. 7, 8. 2 walks. 1, 2, step. 3, hold. 4, open. 5, hold. 6, twist. 7, 8, circle. 1, 2, 3, throw. 4, then up, up, down, down. So we just went up, up, down, down. We're going to go up on the balls of our feet, or it's also called a releve. And you're going to go up with your arms, elbows bent, and then you're going to push down, and then up, and then down. So here, and as you plie, twist to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just your hips. You're going to set that heel down, and we're going to pop our heels and take our hips around this way. So it's going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to come just back to the center on 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Arms, we're just going to do some muscle arms, goalpost arms, whatever these are called. They just come up and you go 5, 6, 7, 8. And as I push my hips back, I naturally kind of hinge forward a little bit. So it's going to look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we went up, down, around, 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 around. Counts for that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this last 8 count, you're going to have 2 options. So the first one is a little simpler. I'm going to show that one to you first. The second one's going to have a little turn in it. So hang on if you want the turn. We just went 5, 6, 7, 8. First option, you're just going to take off and walk this way. And you can do it, it's going to be right, cross, left, right, cross, left, right. And you're going to sit into that right leg. So it's just right, left, right, left, right. You can kind of do whatever you want with your upper body. If you want to do something kind of creepy, you can. Whatever you kind of want to do with your upper body. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6. You're going to step back onto your left leg on 7, and you're going to do a little back flick of this right foot. So you're kind of just bending that knee. And it's not so much here, but it's actually kind of extended out behind you a little bit. So you were here, 5, hold 6. I'm going to step up on the ball of this foot, flick the right leg on 7, hold 8. And your momentum should be going this way, and you'll step out of it. Well, it's the end of it. That's the last step. So you can do whatever you want after that. But your momentum, it's carrying you forward, but we really want to try to have some hang time in the air there. Upper body, whatever you want to do. If you want to kind of throw this arm, you can. If you want to do more of like a shoulder action, no upper body, it's all good. So again, option 1, we were here. We're going to take 5 walks, and then we're going to do that flick. So it's going to look like this. 5, 6, 7 step right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8. Option 2, we're going to go, we're here 5, 6, 7, 8. We're still going to, it's still right, left, right, left, right. It's still the same basic idea. But the first right, left is going to be right. You're going to pull these arms. So I'm mirroring you here. So it's going to be 1. Then you're going to prep for a turn on 2. So it's going to go like this. 1, 2. That was left, right. I'm going to do what's called a chaîné turn. It's just open, close. You're stepping right, left. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to step out of it on 5, hold 6, flick 7, hold 8. So that last part's the same. Again, if you pay attention to the feet, it's the same footwork. It's still right, left, right. I'm just adding a turn in there. Okay, so again, 5, 6, 7, step, cross. 1, 2, turn. 3, 4, down. 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8. Option 2, one more time, a little faster. So we're here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that was the last step. Remember, you can choose option 1 or option 2. You can work up. You can start with 1 and work up to 2. Whatever you want to do. You do you. Let's go back to the very top and go really slow. See how it all pieces together, and then we'll do it another time up to tempo. Let's do it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Pull those arms up. 1, 2, 3. Head 4. Contract. 5, 6. Hold 7 and lean. 1, 2, 3. Head 4. Back. 5, 6, 7. 2 walks. 1, 2, 3. Now pivot. 5, 6, 7. 2 walks again. 1, 2, 3. Rock right. 5, 6, 7. Step right, left. 1, 2. Swing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Peekaboo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ball change. 7. Walk. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. 5. Hold 6. Twist. 7. Now we circle. 1, 2, 3. Down 4. High, high, low, low. Up, down. Go up, down. Now around. 5, 6. Step and cross. 1, 2. Turn or walk. 3, 4, 5. Hold 6. 7. Hold 8. All right. One more time. Up to tempo. A little more up to tempo, maybe. Thanks so much for doing this with me. I hope you've enjoyed it. Remember, if you want to see it with music, it's on a separate video. So head down to the descriptions, click the link down there that says see with music, and you can practice with music. Let's do it one more time with counts. Here we go. A little faster. 5, 6, 7, pull your arms. 1, 2, 3, head 4. Go 5, 6, hold 7. Now lean. 1, 2, 3, head 4. 5, 6, 7, 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, pivot. 5, 6, 7, 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, rock. 5, 6, step right, left. 1, 2, swing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, peekaboo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, rock. 7, walk. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, hold 6. 7, now we circle. 1, 2, 3, high, high. 5, 6, 7, up, down. 1, 2, take it around. 5, 6, step and cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a good one. See you next time.